eyes light up. Your hands on my face and all the world fades and it's just us.
Ang pag-ibig nyo ay buhay, mainit, nag-aalab, nakakapasok. Darlene at Robert, sana sa inyong pagsasama, alagaan ninyo ang pag-ibig na yan.
Won't you dance with me? Won't you dance with me? I wanna spin you round. I'm all yours now.
May mga bagay na matutuklasan kayo sa isa't isa. At sana i-embrace nyo yon, i-accept nyo yon. Dahil kahit sino ka pa, mahal ka niya. No? At tatanggapin ka niya. At mamahalin ka pa rin niya habang buhay.
Until I met you.
Sana, kahit ngayon lang tayo nagkita, maintindihan ninyo ang inyong pagmamahal. Na hindi lang yan nakasalalay sa nararamdaman. Yan ay nakasalalay sa desisyon. Dahil itong mahal ko ay ang aking kaibigan na gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
I'm all yours now.
Babe, salamat sa lahat. Kahit maraming pagsubok ang dumating, nalagpasan natin ang mga ito at umabot tayo ng ganitong katagal. Isa ka sa mga naging inspirasyon ko para magsimula uli ng mawala si tatay. Lagi kang nandyan para sa palakasin ang aking loob at pasayahin ako.
If ever you needed to talk, you could talk to me. Or could you talk to me? If ever you feel like you're lost, you can count on me. I'll find your way.
Babe, kay tagal kong hinintay ito. Destiny doesn't decide everything. Only give us a little push in the right direction. We decide if it's worth fighting for, worth waiting for. And Darlene,
you are worth every fight. And you are worth every wait.
I love you forever. I like you for always. For always. Together we'll be. I love you forever. I like you for always. For always. Together we'll be.
Sana wag kang magsasawang intindihin ako kapag wala ako sa mood at pinagsusungitan kita. Asahan mo, lagi rin kitang pasasayahin, iintindihin sa iyong kakulitan at aalagaan ng buong puso.
If ever you're too sick to walk, I'd carry you and take care of you. If ever you feel scared to walk, and I just hold you. Let's go out in the universe. I'll be next to you. I'll be next to you. And I'll surrender myself to you.
babe, I love everything about you. Everything I know about you and everything I don't know. You make me love my life.
For always, together we'll be. I love you forever. I like you for always. For always, together we'll be. I love you forever. I like you for always.
And these past few years, it's very hard for me. I felt like the weight of the words were on my shoulders. And everybody can say have faith.
It's so difficult. When I lost my mom,
But I knew God still loved me because you gave me you.
Together we'll be. I love you forever. I like you for always.
promise to you that my love will always be greater than the time I must travel to be with you. And babe, I love you so much. And see you in the altar.
Together we'll be.
Kahit anong problemang dumating, lulutasin natin ito na magkasama. Simula sa araw na ito, kahit anumang mangyari, huwag tayong bibitiw sa isa't isa. Basta lagi nating gawing sentro si Jesus sa ating relasyon. Sabay nating tutuparin ang ating mga pangarap. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, babe.